Quick view of all of the functions of the FlexiPro. So the first thing, it's obviously mobile. As we discussed, you can brake, and now it's not so mobile. Unlock it, okay, turn it around, okay, I want to tip the table, okay, so I can do that. I can go at any angle, and go right down to that position. If I want to raise the table, I put my foot on the pedal here, and up it comes, and I take my foot off, it stops. If I want to push it up higher, it keeps coming up. I want to take it down, I put my foot on the pedal, and I push it down. Okay, so it takes a bit of pressure. Take my foot off the pedal. Okay, up and down. Final trick, which is really important, I think, is it folds. So the mechanism here, unclick it, click it, whoop, and I'll lock it in place. There it is. Get it up against the wall. Away she goes. Or you can slide it under your bed, like that, or couch. Thank you.